Hello, friends, clients, and fellow artists. I'm back! I took a 2-month social media break in case you haven't noticed. Many of you did notice though, and you messaged me to make sure I was okay. That was really thoughtful. Thank you so much. But I am okay. I'm back now, but I was traveling all summer. Basically June through last week, I was out west in the United States visiting our national parks. This summer, my husband and I and our dog Duke visited 16 different campgrounds. We drove over 10,600 miles. We hiked over 85 miles. We visited 11 national parks, some state parks, and some national recreational areas, stuff like that. And with all of that, I unfortunately did not have time to create any new landscape paintings. So that is unfortunate. I brought a bunch of stretched and primed canvases with me. I had all these plans to do plein air painting in the parks, but I ended up doing a lot more hiking and not as much painting. I did, however, work on my live event wedding paintings. I had started the live portion of these wedding paintings back in May or early June, and I completed 7 of those paintings in my mobile art studio over the summer. So I didn't go the whole summer without touching a paintbrush. So I was still painting almost every day, but I wasn't creating my typical golf courses or national park landscapes. I was working on paintings like this. That being said, I'm back in my art studio now. It feels really good to be home and have all the space. I'm really motivated to start working on some new paintings based on all the places that I visited this summer. To my YouTube subscribers, thank you guys for sticking around. I have some new painting tutorials that will be coming out in September. I have the list right here of the painting tutorial requests that are popular. I've had multiple requests for these ones, so let me know in the comments which one of these you would like to see me paint first. I also wanted to mention that while I was hiking and doing all this exploring this summer, I was recording a lot of that, and I turned that into vlog style videos and like travel preparation videos, like travel planning videos on another YouTube channel. That channel is called Travel Season, and it is right here. If you are interested in national parks, hiking videos, and travel adventures, then you definitely want to check out some of my videos on that channel as well. So thanks for watching this quick video. I just wanted to check back in and let you guys know that I am okay. I'm still here. I'm back in the studio, motivated to paint, and looking forward to bringing some new content for you guys. Have a great day and happy painting. Bye-bye.